Hello, my name is Damkan, and my specialty is in molecular diagnostics of infectious disease pathogens. I am a PhD student at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, and I am currently based in the Gambia at the Medical Research Council in the Gambia at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. It is estimated that respiratory infections associated with household air pollution is responsible for over 900,000 deaths among children every year. In rural settlements in Africa, the use of firewood and other biomass for cooking is very common, and this can pollute the air that we breathe in. The air we breathe in first encounters the upper airways, and the upper airways is home to a diverse number of microorganisms, some of which can cause diseases. So it is very likely that the air we breathe in has an impact on the bacteria or on the organisms that live in our upper airways. The project that I am currently working on is looking at how different household air pollutants impact the carriage of these important bacteria. We are following over 500 children, 5 to 14 years old, repeatedly collecting samples from the same set of children. The findings from this study can help us understand the link between pollutants that we breathe in and the carriage of important pathogens, so that we can come up with interventions that will reduce the sources of air pollutants in households in rural communities. No one is safe from the health impacts of climate change, but the health impacts of using biomass fuel for cooking disproportionately affects households in rural communities in Africa. COP26 is a fitting platform to discuss alternative sources of fuel which is fit for use in households in rural Africa. Thank you.